In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in OneNote. If your notes feel cramped or a bit too spread out, adjusting line spacing can make them much easier to read. Here's how to do it clearly and reliably. First, open OneNote and navigate to the page that contains the text you want to format. Make sure the page is loaded and the text is visible so you can see your changes as you make them. Next, select the text you want to change. You can drag your cursor over a single paragraph, a set of bullet points, or an entire section. If you want to affect everything on the page, select all the content before you continue. If nothing is highlighted, OneNote will typically apply the change only to the paragraph where your cursor is placed, so selecting the exact text you care about is a good habit. Now, go to the Home tab at the top of the OneNote window. This is where most of your basic formatting lives. In the Home tab, find the paragraph alignment icon. It looks like a small set of horizontal lines that represent text alignment. Click that icon to open its menu, then choose Paragraph Spacing Options. This takes you to the place where OneNote lets you fine-tune spacing. In the Paragraph Spacing dialog, OneNote uses points rather than standard spacing multiples. A point is a print measurement unit. There are 72 points in an inch. Instead of choosing 1.0 or 2.0 like you might in a word processor, you'll type or select a point value. As a quick reference, if your body text is around 11 or 12 points, a line spacing value near 12 points feels close to single spacing. Around 18 points feels like 1.5 spacing, and roughly 24 points approximates double spacing. You can also adjust spacing before and after paragraphs in points to add breathing room between headings and body text, which can really improve readability. Make your changes, then confirm them in the dialog to apply the new spacing to your selected text. You should see the effect immediately. If it doesn't look right, reopen Paragraph Spacing Options and nudge the values up or down until it's comfortable for your eyes. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. These settings apply only to the text you selected, so repeat the process for other sections as needed. Also, interface labels can vary slightly depending on your OneNote version. You'll find paragraph spacing options in the Home tab under the Paragraph Alignment menu in the desktop app for Microsoft 365 and the classic OneNote desktop version. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, your notes can be cleaner, more readable, and tailored to your style.